Hello everyone, I just got up. I decided to make myself some tea and then fill in my gratitude journal. So my little moments of gratitude journal is available on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. It is so pretty. It is just this pink shade and it has little moments of gratitude on it, and I just think it's like a very cute pink book that you can use for decor on your coffee table, on your bookshelf, or wherever. If you're a local, you can get it at my stationery shop. So they have two different looks, but they are the same exact product, which I'm just here for. And this has really changed my life, I feel like, because every single day when I sit down just like this and I go through my gratitude journal, it just makes me feel so positive. It puts me in a really good mindset for the rest of the day. And I do my gratitude journal like in the morning and I reflect on the day before. That is how I like to do it, but you could also do it before you go to sleep as well. So the gratitude journal has 3 things that you're thankful for, your positive affirmations. So it even has a list of 50 affirmations that you can choose from at the front of the book if you ever are not sure what to put in the affirmation section. And then the act of kindness is just something nice that you did for the day, whether it's like give somebody a compliment. My act of kindness was going for lunch and picking up lunch for me and my mom, picking up my brother from school, and giving my photographer the extra flowers that I had from a shoot that I had recently. So those were like little acts of kindness that, I had personally, but whatever acts of kindness you have, you can go ahead and put it. And I just love the aesthetic of the book. It is just so cute, so pretty. So I'm just gonna be doing a little life update for you guys today, because I feel like if I have been so MIA, but I had some good reasons, let me just say. So yeah, let's do that. I have my little pumpkin mug, which I'm so obsessed with. I have so many plans to get so many things done, and this month has just been passing me by so quickly. This is my most busiest season of the year, and everything is just like coming down on me all at once, and I'm just... It's a vibe, and I love it, and I love being busy, and I love just the adrenaline of like work and all of those things. But I feel like if technology is really doing me dirty these days, and it could be Mercury retrograde, but I sat down because I have so many videos that I wanted to post for you guys, and let me just say that my new MacBook Air M1 chip and everything has like these lines, these grid lines, like lines running straight through it, and it is pissing me off like no other because it's new and I'm an Apple baby. I love Apple. I had MacBooks and iPads and phones for like years and years and years, and I never had a problem with it. So this like kind of threw me for the loop, especially since I have to go now and get it fixed before my warranty is over in December. So I have to like make a day now to go get that fixed, which is so stressful in this time because my new planner collection is coming out like really soon, and it's just going to be so good. I can't wait to hopefully vlog that for the first time this year for you guys so you can see what is up. Yesterday I had a really fun shoot, and you guys will be able to see everything just so soon, and it's just going to be so exciting, so fun all at once, and I really cannot wait. I have been going to tons of events recently as well with my friends, and it's just been so much fun. Like, could you guys imagine, like, I literally was not going out like last few months, and then I'm always out now, and it's so much fun. I feel like if my friends and I really bonded during this time of like me being single and all of that fun stuff, like we really bonded because my friends and I, we go to all of the events together, and it's just so much fun. Speaking about pumpkin, fall is my favorite time of year, and I cannot wait. I feel like if when October first hits, it's like my favorite time of the year. I love it. I want to like decorate my entryway. I want to do pumpkins. I want to do like a full vibe. I just need to get the time to do it. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Also, today I think we need to clean this room because this is a mess. Like, if you guys see behind me, like there is Coco, but if you see behind me, you would scream for me because it is a disaster. I have things everywhere. I was just not feeling well. You know what? I did not have it, but I was not feeling well because I screamed so much because of a lizard. Like, one of the cats in work brought a lizard by my desk and dropped it, and I screamed so much. I lost my voice, my throat was inflamed, and then I was drinking a lot as well talking a lot, and it just made everything worse. And ever since then, I just was not feeling my true self. And then I also got my period. I was not feeling myself, and I feel like if this week I'm now starting to feel myself, which is really, really good. And yeah, this is me now waking up, talking to you guys, and drinking some tea. And I think we should clean hair up. It's a mess. And then I want to make sushi. I have been making sushi so much, you guys. It is amazing and I love it. And I actually have a vlog clip of me making sushi for the first time. Let me tell you, it's so unmotivating for me to edit because it has those lines that show on my computer screen, and it's just so stressful, and I don't want to edit in work because I have boundaries. So work is for work, home is to edit YouTube videos, all that fun stuff. I also need to edit the podcast episode. You guys, Magic and Manifesting is doing so well. You guys are loving the podcast, which makes me so happy because it was just like a fun thing that I was doing. I feel like if I want to batch my podcast and like kind of record a few in one day so I can just space it out and edit it, but I just honestly do not have the time for it because of work. I do, like, YouTube is not my full-time job. Like, it's really my hobby at this point, and I love it, and I love being back and doing all of this with you guys. For October, I'm thinking about doing Vlogtober or maybe Vlogmas. I'm not sure yet. I don't know, but if it is, it would not be daily vlogs. It will be like every other day or a weekly vlog or something like that, because my work schedule like does not permit me to just be vlogging. But there's so much things that I want to do before the rest of the year ends, and yeah, I can't wait to share everything with you guys. So let us go sip this and let us go clean as well, because we need to clean. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this cleaning life is just not cut out for me. I take so long. So I did my desk, like you saw, I tidied up the floor, and now I think I'm gonna pass my RoboVac inside of here, because it is extremely dusty and I didn't do it in a while. So I have to like move every single thing from the floor and then roll up the rug, because I don't want it to vacuum the rug right now, because I feel like if when the RoboVac vacuums the rug, it starts to like vacuum forever and a million hours. So that is my plan now, so let us go ahead and do that. Okay, so rug is moved. I feel like if I need to, wow, the rug made a huge difference in the echo of the room, but I think I need to get like a vacuum borrowed so that I can do the rug properly and like vacuum it and stuff. I need to put up the curtains because the RoboVac like sometimes wants to vacuum up my curtains. So I just kind of hook it up here. Oh! You guys, Coco literally was up on top of the rug. Okay, so I have my vacuum.
Start automatic cleaning.